Many of you have your faces on billboards and ads and newspapers and things of that nature. I believe in all that. I just don't believe in overpaying for yesterday and not investing in today. Like, whatever you did to get here was about attention. Whether it was shaking hands and having friends and working the local thing, whether word of mouth is just attention. You did something for Craig, he liked it enough, and when Sally asked him, he referred. It's all just the same game. The problem is, and the thing that I have had an enormous amount of passion on, is if attention is the asset that grows everything, that creates the result, why aren't people interested in investing the 20 hours that it would take to understand the current space of attention? Like, I just don't understand why you wouldn't see through the curiosity and spend 5 hours to understand why a TikTok video might actually lead to a customer. I don't understand why you would say no. Let me rephrase, I very much understand why you say no. You say no because you positioned it in your head as something else. You've positioned it as the thing that your kids spend all their time on, right? But what you don't do is the homework that makes you understand that over the last 18 months, the growth of 35 to 55-year-olds on TikTok is so extraordinary. We haven't seen growth of consumption like that since 2011 Facebook. All of a sudden, if you understand that truth, it at least leads to the curiosity. How many people here are producing 3 pieces of TikTok video a day for their business? And if you raise your hand, I'm gonna check on stage publicly, so don't lie. How many people in this entire room make 3 TikTok videos a day for their company? Raise your hands. 2. I'm sorry, 3, sorry, Sally. 3. I love it, and I love the passion of that. What excites me about that is because I've been making content about TikTok for 2.5 years, I already have dozens of emails from lawyers, contractors. A cement provider hit me up last week that he landed a big contract from a TikTok. Do you know how insane it sounds to even say that a cement provider landed a 6-figure contract from a TikTok? Even for me, as progressive and curious and in it as I am, I understand how far-fetched that may feel, but it's a reality. And this isn't a talk to say everybody run out and go make TikToks. This is a talk of, are you challenging yourself to do branding work? Because it's the singular thing that grows anything. Branding is the singular thing that grows anything. It's just the way the world works. And so I think the opportunity is extraordinary. One more time, by show of hands. By show of hands, how many people produce 2 original videos or written articles a day on LinkedIn? Raise your hand. 1, 2, got you. 2. Again, that one I struggle with way more. But it goes back to my only interest in this talk today. Why are we, the world, this is not just this sector, this is the world. Why are we not interested in putting in the 20 to 30 hours to understand something that's happening today? LinkedIn, for the last 4 years, has converted itself into being the business Facebook. This is not the LinkedIn we all grew up with. LinkedIn marketing isn't spamming people on email. It is making content to go in the feed. How many people here consume content on LinkedIn and know what I'm referring to? Raise your hands. Raise it high, please. I want everybody higher. Come on. Look, that is the fun thing for me. Almost half this room is consuming it. 2 people are making for it. It speaks to the thing I started this talk with. I believe this room is in the sales business. And I believe if you can make the shift to understanding that you need to be in the marketing and brand business, it's the only thing that can substantially double, triple, 10x a business. It's real. It's what happens. It happens at every business. It's happened for the last 20 years as we've lived through the internet revolution.